Our topic for today is structure of a tooth. Our teeth help us to grind, chew, bite, etc.
Hurry up! Everybody is waiting for you.
Oh.
Coming.
I am Mr. Tooth, I have come from Dental Town. The visible part above the gum is called the crown. While I was showering, I realized my crown has a whitish covering. It's called the enamel. It is the hardest substance in the body.
You have come here to give a lecture. Let us study structure of a tooth. This is dentin.
The layer below the enamel is called the dentin. It forms the bulk of the tooth. It is not as hard as the enamel.
This is pulp.
The soft portion inside the dentin is called the pulp. It consists of blood vessels and nerves. The entire part of the tooth which is not visible and is inside the gum is called the root.
This is the structure of a tooth. Wow. Great job. Autograph, please.